of its kind, and talking about firsts, Dubai witnessed a defining moment in history when His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan visited the Sikh place of worship. He took a round of the Gurudwara premises. Let's take a look.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप
And welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you very much, and we are very grateful to you joining us to this auspicious occasion when Sheikh Nahyan visited the Guru Nanak Darbar in Dubai. And it's a great privilege and honor for all of us to be part of the historic moment when Sheikh Nahyan, the first member of the ruling family, to join us in the Gurdwara.
Well, it was a very great moment, as he mentioned, and we were really looking forward to that. And I think he was very, very happy when he came in and very pleasantly surprised, I think. And he spoke so well and he spoke so highly about the religion and talked about how tolerant, Sheikh Mohammed is also by, making us all open to all other religions, and which was a great thing of him. And we are really, really thankful to Sheikh Mohammed and also now to Sheikh Nahyan, who's made this visit.
You have also mentioned that this is more than a house of worship. It's a community center. Please tell us more about that.
See, we want to make this in a community center because we want all communities from India to enjoy this Gurdwara, which is not only a place of worship, but also a community center for everybody. We serve free food from 4:30 in the morning till 10:30 at night, and we are proud to serve to the Indian community. Whether he's from any part of the country, he's most welcome to come to our Gurdwara. We have separate meditation rooms. They can come and say their own prayers in whatever language they want to say, enjoy the langar, and be happy and content.
It was such a memorable moment for us today, and the way Sheikh Nahyan has respected our community today, it's really commendable, and we are really proud of it today. And he has really spoke so well about our community, and he spoke about the religion, and he also spoke about Golden Temple Amritsar, which was very, very nice.
We are very pleased of His Highness Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak, who visited the temple today. I think it was a very proud moment for all the Sikh community in the UAE, because this has been the first Gurdwara in the Gulf countries, and this will only motivate and encourage a lot of other communities living in the UAE that putting up something like this is always appreciated by the government. This shows the kind of commitment, this shows the kind of trust that they have in this cosmopolitan city, and this will only strengthen our bonds and make relationships more stronger.
Thank you for letting ZTV be part of such a historic moment.
Thank you very much. Pleasure is mine.
Thank you so much. Thank you.